As I've already stated yesterday, all the accused have been arrested in different places. One is in Madhya Pradesh and the other one is in UP. Our special investigation team, Meghalaya Police, went down to these two places, and yesterday all of them has been arrested, and some of them has also confessed about the crime committed by these people. And especially the moment we were able to pick Sonam, the wife of late Raja, being the prime suspect on the killing. So we all came to know that, yes, she is involved fully in this operation during their stay here in Meghalaya.
So, Meghalaya police being a Sonam to Patna and get 3-day transit remand.
Yes, we did, and we already got that transit remand, and most likely, if not tonight, then tomorrow all of them will be in Shillong. Yes. Then the moment they landed, then we will produce it in the CJM court.
Also, what do you about to say on about the emergency matters and police being a Sonam emergency surround plan after 3 days? What do you have to say on this incident carried out of your state and policing impact?
I think, yes, few days back, till yesterday I should say, I think the image of Meghalaya has gone down just because of the ignorance, I should say, made by the concerned individual, by the concerned agency, be it media, be it the the press, print and electronic media, where the narrative was created by them without any kind of ground of reality, whether Meghalaya is really like a place where it is safe or not safe. Without knowing anything, they just came out and blamed the people of Meghalaya that in Meghalaya is a den of criminal who stays and who live in here. So, see, yesterday, I think the world, whole India, they knew, they came to know, and the truth has come out, and I'm sure from now on, the very same media house, the very same person maybe who has written or who has spoken negatively against Meghalaya, I request all of them to again rectify their statement and please also think about the sentiment of our people here in Meghalaya. Let me tell you one thing. People of the state in Meghalaya, they are religious people and they are also God-fearing citizens. And not only that, we are also the citizen with full abiding by the law of India and the state of Meghalaya.
So, someone demand for the CBI investigation this matter, and then the family, Sonam's family demands CBI. It should come out.
Well, I'm surprised to see that statement made by the family members of Sonam. Now we already got all the detail, and then we have seen everything. Why should they still ask about CBI investigation? I fail to understand that. So I would like to request all of them, be patient, let the detailed investigation goes on, and the truth, as I said to you, finally will come out. Because see, all the deeds that you done, you will also be paid accordingly.
Meghalaya police is confident for this investigation, sir, and they can for this.
Yes. See. Let me tell you one thing. Our Meghalaya police force, they are one of the best police force in India. And by this ability of ultimately napping the culprits, napping the criminals, you understand that the police is so efficient under the leadership of the DGP, the present DGP, and I'm very, very sure they'll be able also to complete the entire investigation once these accused reach back Shillong.
What's your message about the tourists? They can came in Shillong,
I would fervently request on behalf of the government, and not only on behalf of the government, but also on my behalf and on behalf of the people of the state. Now, since the case has come out to light, since we already broken down all those doubts, all those issues which people does not want to come to Meghalaya, I would request once again, please leave aside and leave alone those things which was happened in the past, but now please come to Meghalaya, enjoy the nature, the gift of God, who has given this region a wonderful place to stay and also to spend your holiday.